Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in TikTok website using QR code. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Whether you're a business or a content creator on TikTok, standing out is always at the top of your mind. According to the data from businessapps.com, TikTok has over 1.5 billion monthly users. Yes, you read that right. Thus, reaching as many people as possible is key. So, in this video, I will show you if you want to log in TikTok using your PC or laptop. You can log in with TikTok desktop or TikTok website. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, you can search for the TikTok on the Google. Now you can just click on login. There is an option like you can log in with QR code with your phone number, email, surname, your Facebook, Google, and others. Because you want to use our QR code, you can just click on use QR code. And now you can open your phone. You can open your TikTok on your phone. Now you can go to your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Sorry. Tap on the three lines over here. There is an option, my QR code. You can just tap on that. Here's your QR code. Because we want to scan, we need to open the camera. You can open the camera to scan on the top, on the up right corner here. Now we can just point the camera into the QR code like this. We can just click on confirm. And now we just log in to your TikTok account using the QR code. It's so simple, right? So that is how to log in into TikTok website using QR code. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.